Dun-dun. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and here we have a special product for you. So this time we have the Redmi Pad Pro Harry Potter Special Edition. It's very nice, and this is the first time I checked a special edition tablet product for you. And we can see from the box, it's have a customized design, and today we have the 4GB RAM plus 256GB RAM edition, and I'm going to have a very quick and simple unbox video about this tablet product from Harry Potter and the Redmi Pad Pro. Here we can find the Visa World and Warner Brothers logos here. And next, okay, first let's get it out from the paper tape, the cover. Harry Potter, yes. As you can see, this time the box gets a very nice design as well. The Hogwarts Score badge logo in front of the box. The left, the Harry Potter name, and the right is Redmi Pad. And also on the paper table is a Harry Potter element. So next, I'm going to open it and let's check what inside this box and its appearance about the tablet Redmi Pad Pro. So okay, let's open it. So first, let's check the box. I will say it's very delicate design, and this is special edition is better, much better than the normal IP edition. And after we open the box, okay, find Harry Potter poster. I think this is a skin in the movie Harry Potter and Hogwarts Score. Yes, very nice. This is another box. Yes, lots of Harry Potter element, Hogwarts, and also here is Redmi Pad Pro and Harry Potter. Here also finds some quote from the Harry Potter are writing here. Okay, we can. I'm show you sentence by sentence. So I think this is very special, and I'm really waiting, hope to see what inside this. And besides the quote, the sentence, we can find the books, the head element also included. Now, okay, let's check what's inside this. Whoa, very nice. This is a Hogwarts Score advice note. It's notification. Mr. Harry Potter. So it's an invitation from the Hogwarts College. Wow, so nice. And it's well protected in a soft plastic bag. And it's also sealed with a stamp. Yeah. And also we can find the school badge from the invitation from the school. Okay, let's put this aside and we can go to the other stuff first. Under the first box, in the big smartphone, in the big tablet, we find the tablet is just in front here. Before we check the tablet, okay, let's check the other accessories first. Whoa, what's this? Let's check it. This is like the magic band, also from the Harry Potter movie. Whoa, it's stylish. It's a touch pen. Okay, so this is very special and a unique design. Also, we can find the element Type-C charging door. pen, and also you can find the element from the Harry Potter was also printed on the stylus. Okay, very nice, and it's a very interesting and funny and very nice design. It's the magic wand, but also it's the stylus. It's a touch pen, very nice. And also we can find that there's 3 books under the tablet, and all of them are deep customized. You can find the element and the element from the Harry Potter. And okay, this is a charger. This is a Type C to USB charger, but this time for the cable is not okay. It's not customized cable. But in the box, we can find it's a customized box. And also the 33-watt fast charging is also okay. The normal charger, it's not customized one. And also this time for the stylus touch pen is 1496. Great pressure detector. It's just gets lower than 5 m/second delay, and also it's a 80 mAh battery. You can use it for 12 hours normally. And also here they included a deep customized dedicated user menu. It's all customized user menu. I think this is very nice. The color, the element, the design, it's very nice. And the user menu, the quick start, and also they included the warranty information, the battery information. This is pretty good. And also I reviewed another Apple smartphone from Redmi, and it's also very nice. And also here is the SIM card ejector, SIM card pen. It's also a normal design, not customized SIM card ejector. But the box is also deep customized. This is very nice. So this is all stuff under the accessories under the tablet. I guess some surprise, but also I guess some disappointment from the accessories. So next, okay, let's go to tablet. Let's check how this tablet looks like, and maybe we can guess more exciting things. So this tablet is also covered by a customized protector, Harry Potter Redmi Pad Pro. Okay, let's get it out from the cover. And also, whoa, it's blue, so sticky. And okay, finally remove it. And now the tablet is in front of us, and let's remove the label as well. Okay, so wow, so finally the Harry Potter customized tablet is in front of us. So it's very nice and very special. When I hold it in my hand, I can feel the weight is not so heavy. It's just 531 gram, and the dimensions is also acceptable, 280, 181, and 7.52 of the length, width, and thickness. And also it's got 3.5 mm headphone jacket, and also the dual speaker, stereo speaker, and also the camera, and also the dual color LED flashlight with 2 circles. And the color of the back panel is, I think it's between black and blue, but with the golden color to embellished. It looks very beautiful. Although this tablet supports TF card extension and 5G SIM card. And if we go to front, we can find also redesigned icons, and it's a customized icons and wallpaper and screen paper. And we can also go to the settings to check the specification about this device. The Redmi Pad Pro is used 12.1 inch, 2.5K, and a high 120 Hz refresh rate LCD screen, and it's PPI 249 PPI, and peak brightness 600 nit. And for the display resolution is 2560 by 6000, and it's a 6 grade self refresh screen and 240 Hz touch rate. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 7S Generation 2 processor. Well, this processor is very similar to the Note 17 Pro and the Realme 12 Pro Plus. The same processor, and the CPU is a bit similar to the Snapdragon 778G, and also this time for the RAM and ROM, it supports LPDDR4X and UFS 2.2. It's a 4 nanometers producing technology from Samsung. And also for the Redmi Pad Pro, it supports one 10,000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging, and if fully charged, it can get standby time around 55 hours. Also, this tablet is also the first tablet to powered by the Xiaomi Hyper OS. As for the cameras, this time it gets a front 8 megapixel wide angle and rear camera 8 megapixel main camera. And for the rear main camera, it supports video shooting 1080p 30 fps, and for the also support 720p video recording and 30 fps. And front camera is also support 1080p 30 fps and 720p 30 fps, and also for the AI beauty mode and cut-down picture shooting and also short videos recording. And this is about the basic introduction about the camera part. And also we can find, we go to front back side, we can find the laser printed Hogwarts College logo. Is very nice and very beautiful, and also the UI also put a lot of effort on it. It's really nice. And thanks for watching. Let's attend waiting for more catching from here. So here is the sample pictures of the camera. Okay, let's enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.